I love our life.
Hello, I'm Margaret.
And I'm Russ.
And we're with Michaela, helping people saving wildlife in Africa.
We'd like to invite you along with our adventures.
We're on our way to Ezemvelo Nature Reserve. It's a little nature reserve close to where we have camped. Let's check it out and see what it's like.
To be in the bush again.
That's right. Hopefully see some animals and some birds. Okay, this is the turn-up.
Arriving at Ezemvelo Nature Reserve on the right.
Here, it looks like we can camp here. Looks like in this little valley we've got the reception.
Ta-da!
Here's our map. Okay, so where are we? We came in
here, we came in here.
Okay.
So we got lots of places we can go.
Oh my goodness.
We're viewing wildlife again, my dear.
I know, isn't it awesome?
Oh, those are blesbok.
The blesbok down there.
It's
Zebra, wildebeest, an ostrich. Heading out to the savannah. Fortunately, it's burning over here. Yeah, there's something about the open space in the vista, isn't there?
It is. We like that. Savannah. Well, it's just nothing here.
There they are.
This one had to stretch first. I'm sorry, but I don't need to get up right now. This is an eland too. There's
They're way back there, those elands. This is beautiful. The sun's coming out a little bit. There it goes. It's an aardwolf. This is fun with these guys on the horizon. Okay. There they go.
I guess I'll get at one of these, huh? The ostrich in the background.
How fast is she going?
40K.
Stop for some lunch. Beautiful spot.
You want half a big one?
Oh, yeah, I'll happy to share one with you. I don't need a whole one. Okay, it's really pretty where we're at.
Here we are. And our hike in Ezemvelo. What? What?
When he opens his wings up, they're red and black.
Where is he?
When he opens up his wings, they're red and black. Let's see if he'll open up his wings again. See inside there? He just came flying past me. First I thought it was a butterfly.
It's kind of all just us.
He's waiting for us. Oh, looky down there. like you said, like Wimpy the dog looking up at us, saying, "Are you coming back?" Not sure this is on the map, but this does go down.
This is probably that one that went all the way along
The fence line? Yeah. That was a lot of fun.
First game drive of the season.
We saw quite a bit.
Beautiful hike.
And a lovely hike. Yeah. Heard there's a leopard we didn't see, of course.
And this road is putting out a nice display for us.